Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Now I am going to explain the Java program that is for Tower of Hanoi using the array statements. Tower of Hanoi here consisting of 3 disks, and this program shows the movement and how from the initial disk to the last one, from one tower to the third one, it moves with an intermediate tower in between. That is B. The first is A and the last is C, here denoted by arrays. In the public class HANOI, 3 arrays have been declared: A, B and C, each of size 3, followed by count A, count B, count C, whose value is initialized to 3 for now. Coming to the set A method, which is void, has one argument, integer A. This dot A decrement in count value holds the value of A for now. This pointer is used so that the compiler does not get confused with the other array elements. With the decrement in count, the value gets stored one after another, and once the value is less than 0, this count A value is initialized to 0. Same thing has been followed for the other two methods, set B and set C. Set B having argument int B, followed by this using this pointer. Likewise, decrement in B's value, that is different positions of B, 3, 2, 1, holds different values of B. Followed by that, once the value of count B is less than 0, it is initialized to 0. Likewise, in the set C method, using this pointer, the value is decremented, and with the decreasing position elements, C is stored here. Once the count C value is less than 0, it is initialized to 0. These 3 methods actually works in the tower for showing movement of the disk. Number of count times the disk enters the A tower, number of time it enters the B tower, number of time it enters the C tower. Followed by that, using remove A, count value is incremented, which is initialized to 0 at the beginning. Means the very next value, that is 1. Likewise, remove B, count value gets incremented every time the remove B function is called. Likewise, when remove C method is called, the count C++ value gets incremented. These 3 shows number of time the disk comes out of the tower A, then it's remove A. When it comes out of B tower, then it's remove B. Once it comes out of the C tower, then it's remove C. This is for inserting and picking out the disk from the 3 towers given. Using SAML method, that is also void only, scanner class, the values are given for 3 different 3 to 1 for set A method. Then there is one variable declared ch, followed by LP is equal to 1. While this LP is equal to 1, this while loop runs, calling the display, which displays the values for A, B, C at 3 different ones, that is 3, 2 and 1 as shown downside. Using system.out.println, it shows movement of disk from A to B, then from B to A, then B to C, likewise from C to B, then A to C, and finally from C to A. Once this gets over, this character value is given, and using switch, the character value given has the following cases. Case 1, then set B has the count value element of array A, followed by remove. Likewise, in cases 2, then set A holds the value for B elements array, followed by remove B. Set C holds the value for B array's position. After that, using remove B, the value again gets incremented of count B. Likewise for case 4, now set B holds the value for C array. After that, the value is removed. Same thing has been followed for case 5, which now holds the value for A array, then remove A. Likewise, in set A finally has the value for C. Break. Therein shows wrong choice. Press 1 is for continue, LP holds the next value. Now this is a display function which prints the ABC followed by this, and using the for loop this value is printed, which is every time I gets incremented, different positions of array A, B and C values are printed here. Now coming to the main class, HANOI user, which is for the user. Now here HANOI has a object OB and a constructor HANOI. When this object calls the simul method of HANOI Java, then these all statements are called and gets printed. Now I'll show the output for the program. As you can see, this A, B, C and the dash are printed at first, followed by the for loop which prints the values 1, 2, 3 for A and 3 zeros for B and for C. Means at the last all 3 disks will be at the A tower, followed by the movements from A to B, B to A, then B to C, C to B, A to C and C to A. These are the tower of HANOI works for the movement of disks across the 3 towers A, B and C. Thank you.